For centuries, the village of Darali in Uttarakhand has stood as a sanctuary for pilgrims and nature seekers alike. But on the evening of August 5th, this static serenity was shattered by atmospheric chaos. In meteorology, a cloudburst is more than just heavy rain. It is a violent release of massive water columns when vertical updrafts suddenly collapse. For Darali, it was as if the sky itself turned into a dam and instantly opened its floodgates. The tragedy of Darali lies not just in the volume of water, but in the lethal configuration of the terrain. Wedged between steep slopes and narrow paths, this settlement transformed into a natural hydraulic channel within seconds. When water aligns with gravity, it stops being a liquid and becomes a kinetic weapon. The village's narrow streets turned into death corridors, carrying tons of debris, boulders, and mud, proving that when architecture challenges the drainage routes of nature, geography always wins.
रुक गया अब भैंस सारा तहस नहस हो गया
नदी बंद करता हुए यहाँ
है हाँ हाँ नदी होती बंद
In the aftermath, the landscape serves as a grim testament to the fragility of modern engineering against raw elemental force. Hotels, shops, and guest houses, structures built to withstand time, collapsed like cardboard models under the sheer weight and velocity of the surge. The destruction of bridges and roads didn't just block access, it turned the village into an isolation cell, reminding us that infrastructure is often the weakest link in our survival chain during an atmospheric reset. Why is the Uttarakhand region becoming such a frequent target? Experts argue that the fragile Himalayan terrain, combined with extreme weather events fueled by shifting global patterns, has entered a new climatic threshold. What happened in Darali is not an isolated incident, it is a data point in a changing atmospheric story. As nature violently updates its rules of engagement, we must ask, why is our logic of settlement still trapped in the past century?